I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is Life After Weight Loss.
Good morning. How are you doing? I'm sleepy. I had pool last night. It was a good game. I only played 8-ball, but I won. I was focused. I was like, all right, focus on the shot. And then one time I was like looking at the balls because I had 2 left because like I said, it was 8-ball. And I had 2 balls left and I'm like, I was aiming for one. I'm like, wait a minute. If I shoot this one, I don't think like this. Please know that's the higher players that do this. But they've been talking to me about it. And I had 2 balls. And I'm like, okay. If I shoot, I thought I was aiming at this one because I was like, oh yeah, that's a pretty sure shot. But I looked at the other one and I was like, wait a minute. If I shoot this one, where's my cue ball gonna go? I'm like, I don't know. I'm like, well, there's a chance you could scratch. So I said, let's shoot that one. And then you can come down on your other ball. And then you'll be lined up for the 8-ball. And it worked. It worked. I tell you what, it worked. I'm so proud of myself. Anyway, so yeah. Well, it's a good thing it's Friday. I have 66 miles left on my gas station. Or am I left in my gas tank? But it's, I'll stop and get it on the way home from Mom's. I almost did it this past Sunday, but I'm like, you know, what if gas goes down just a little bitty? It's an itty bitty bit. I don't know if it did or not because I don't remember to look at that kind of thing. I just drive. I go to my destination and back, and to my next destination and back. I'm not good at like, oh, what are they building over there? Oh, look at that new thing. That is not me. But anyway, oh. Not only did I win, on the table, I won in my mind. I was like, you know, food was all coming around because it's a place you order. It's a bar and grill, and food was coming. And this is the place I told y'all has my favorite burger. But I haven't had one in years and years and years. But somebody have a burger and fries. Another person had just a full plate of tater tots. And another person, I don't know what all they had. But I was like, oh, Terry, you know, you could get like a burger patty. And you could get a Frisco burger, just no bun. And I was like, yeah. Well, what side would I get? I was like, all side salad. I was like, yeah. And I was like, oh, but do you need it? No. I was like, but I want it. I was like, but do you need it? No. So I ate one of my meat sticks. I had 4 meat sticks. So I'm proud of myself. I'm telling you, I had several wins yesterday. Several. Stopped myself I don't want to call it a binge, poor decision making. I stopped it and I moved past it. And then I made the right choice last night and I won an 8-ball. I'm telling you, God is growing me. We are living and we are learning how to do stuff. All right, I'll see y'all later. It's another jury date. Did I already say that? It's a jury day, so it's supposed to rain all day. Bleh. I'm about tired of this here rain. Bye. I am hangry. Like hangry. It is 12 o'clock. And we're getting a new phone system at work. And it's pretty cool. It's like HIPAA compliant. And it is, you can use your cell phone, your computer, or your desk phone, or your laptop. Oh, I have a cell phone. Derp. And you can make calls, but it's not connected. It's through the app. So like I could call whoever you are, and it's not going to be from my personal cell phone. It's going to be through a work number. But it's private. So it's HIPAA compliant. But this way, if I call you to discuss your health or whatever it is, I don't have to worry about you calling me back on my personal cell phone. Feels pretty cool. But it's for client use, like not really for me to you. I'm just saying that's how it would work. Okay, so I'm hungry. I'm hangry. I just want to eat. I got my burger, which is pretty cool. I was whining in my head. I was one burger ahead. I don't remember how I got that way. I guess I went out to eat or something. And so I was been ahead all week. Well, I hadn't eaten salt. Anyway, I was ahead all week. Well, because I didn't eat last night, I caught up. So, yeah. So, it's my 93% ground beef, seasonings, and cheese. Same thing I've been eating. I don't know much right now, y'all. It's just been a whirlwind, honestly. Working on the phones. I didn't work on the phones, don't get me wrong. But I'm kind of like the building mother. I'm nosy enough. And when things happen, I ain't the office manager, but people come tell me when stuff's wrong or stuff happens. So in getting these phones set up, I was definitely involved in a good way. No problem. So, all right. I love you people, but I'm done. I got to go eat. Bye. Well, happy Friday, y'all. There's a flood watch out for our area. Can you hear it? Rain on... Here, let's step out here a minute. Rain on a metal roof. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? It's raining, raining, raining. I'm going to show you all that it's flooding out here. We've getting all kinds of alerts. And we're not supposed to leave not supposed to leave work, but it's flooded. We've had people who couldn't get out on both ends. Oh my gosh, like right here, it's almost over my shoes. I want to show you guys. I got to find a spot that I can walk through that isn't like over my shoes. See, that's like a river out there. Look. Can you see it? Oh, they want to go home bad. See all that? Oh, it's like somebody's on a boat. Okay, well, my shoes are wet, but I thought I'd show y'all. Okay, bye. Walk out there. All right, guys. It's almost stopped raining. So, even this looks a little bit better. So, I'm going to come out to the street and see. You can still see it kind of splashing around out there. You can see it pouring down. Look at that. But that's kind of thinning out a little bit. We have a nurse. One nurse stalled out as they were driving like down the way where I always walk. Trying not to get Suzanne. But anyway, let's see what it looks like now. Ooh, is that her?
Yeah, she didn't make it very long.
Oh gosh. Oh. See that SUV down there? That's one of ours. And look at all that water. Splash, splash, splash. But look, it's like a river. Oh, look, it comes up on the... It's even with our... Oh, you can't see that. Sorry. It's even with this. Let me zoom you out. Sorry. Stick my finger in it. Can you see it? It comes up to that second knuckle.
Honestly, I wouldn't try to go that way.
Got it pouring out of there.
She's waiting for the water to go down to see.
So, this is what's going on, guys. Oh yeah, let's look back here. Because this is, there's stuff back here too. But earlier when I was right about here, it was like almost rushing over my foot. And there goes another staff member. He's going to attempt it. I wish him the best. These dang shoes are not the best ones to be out here in because they're cloth. I should be. But anyway, hold up. So, that's back there. So, anyway, I'm waiting a little bit longer. Well, it's too early to go anyway, but I'm waiting because I am not going to ruin Tawanda. I love my little Tawanda, and I don't want to ruin her. Well, I already went down there once while I was talking to Mom. It smells kind of like poopy down here. This came up. It's still up a little bit. That's all wet. Everything's wet. No, ma'am, you're not staying down here. But that's kind of the line right there. Wet. You can kind of see the line right there where it stops. And a little bit of line right there. I do know the rain comes. I have a chimney back behind there. See that little gate? And rain comes in so hard down the chimney and splashes out. So it's wet. But like I said, I don't keep anything on the floor really. So the only thing I have to do, and you can see there, that's the sewer line. Dang it, I can't get a good... Come on, Terri. Let's see if I can... Anyway, there's a glare. Yeah, there you go. That's the sewer line. So one of the neighbors had messaged, come on, ma'am, let's go back up. You don't need to be down there. Come on, let's go. No, ma'am. Come on, let's go. Turn around. Cat. Ma'am, let's go. Come on, lady. I don't need your wet paw prints all over this house. Come on. But some of it is rainwater that came down from the chimney, and some of it is just what leaked through the foundation. So anyway, so yeah. So now I'm home and I'm hungry, so I'll be back. Hello, how you doing? I made it home. It wasn't bad, but I know it's because I left later. And, I didn't leave whenever it was at its worst. We waited till it kind of slowed down raining. But then at that point, there was time for everything to kind of get sucked into the sewers and whatnot. But anyway, oh, hang on, I got an alert on my... Oh man, I had so many alerts on my phone. I wonder if Ryan Hall, y'all, is on doing a thing. I should check and see. I mean, I bet there is stuff going on somewhere. So hi, how you doing? It's been an adventuresome day. We got new phones at work, new phone system. We got, hang on, what am I looking for? Oh yeah, I wanted to see if Ryan Hall, y'all, is live. Nope. He posted a video through 53 seconds ago, but it was just about dangerous heat. So, anyway, yeah. Hi. So we got new phones at work and all kinds of stuff. It was definitely busy at work. And then, exciting the last 2 hours of the day. It's funny, I told him I was hollered across the hall to my team. I said something about, if I were in your position and I had me for a boss, I would put in an hour and a half PTO and go home. And so none of them did. And later on, when it was pouring down, I said, I'm just going to say, I told y'all if I had me for a boss, I'd have put in some ETO and gone home. They're like, shut up. So supper tonight, I'm doing it. It's a little bit less. I decided I wanted to try just 1 pound of the 93% in 2 meals. I've been doing 1.5 pounds. I'm home all day tomorrow. So if I feel like it's not enough, I'll be here so I could have some bacon pieces or I could have some, I don't know, whatever. So an egg. So I'm just trying to see how it goes. But anyway, so this is literally 8 ounces of ground beef. About a tablespoon
of bacon pieces. Did I say that? I'm saying it now. So, ground beef, bacon pieces, and seasoning. I have that Kinder's caramelized onion powder seasoning. My creamiest butterscotch, chocolate, and peanut butter. Either it's getting foggy or my windows are fogging up over there. Oh, you can't see it, can you? I don't know if you'll be able to see. Well, you may not be able to see. Anyway, I was supposed to go visit my bestie after I got home and fed the dogs and fed me, but I ain't leaving. I'm not about to go out in the rain. She can call me. She said she needed her friend. She needed some friend time. I said, girl, I come home to a wet basement that I can't do nothing about yet. And I come home, drove out in this mess. I don't want to get back out. I said, you just call me. We'll do a phone bestie session. I mean, she can always come over here, but she's at her shop. It's always easy to have a bestie session when they come to you. So, yeah, butterscotch, chocolate, peanut butter. Yeah, buddy. But I got wet out there. I don't want to get wet again. I want to be home with my dogs, and home is where my heart is. But I'll talk to her on the phone all night long. Anyway, so that's what I know. I love y'all, and I'm going to let you go. And, yeah, I'm going to just get on with my evening. And tomorrow I'll bring in my hose and hose down the basement. And I got a lot of laundry I got to get done too. So, yep. All right, bye.